KTN News.
And now let's talk corruption. Regulatory authorities and agencies have been warned to severe consequences if found engaging in corruption and rent-seeking at the expense of service delivery to citizens. Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi has said all regulatory authorities and agencies must establish corruption prevention committees and mean business in the fight against corruption and the prudent utilization of public resources.
During the meeting of the National Development Implementation Committee, where we work again closely with the head of public service, in which the principal secretaries present today would have attended, we touched on the EACC report and template, and it was agreed that each state department would establish a corruption prevention committee. Now, this is very serious because you have to report back to the head of public service and be very deliberate. Confirm that you have set up these committees. Give him the names of who are in those committees so that it is not just a verbal communication.
We are seeing a lot of improvement in various sectors. Your Excellency, we had a lot of challenges when it comes to the built environment. Nowadays, we can see NCA and all other agencies around it working very hard to ensure that we have order. We've been seeing a lot of improvement in our environment. NEMA is now taking charge, and we are very happy.
And finally, various stakeholders in the